Good morning. Today we are going to see one small trick. It is very useful for everyone. See, whenever you go to some remote areas or some hill stations or some other places, there if Wi-Fi connectivity is not available, when Wi-Fi connectivity is not available and you want to send urgent some documents or files to someone, so at that time we can use the ethernet connection as Wi-Fi. how how to use ethernet? See, suppose this is system, this is my PC, and I want to use this PC, this ethernet to my phone. I want to use this ethernet to my phone as Wi-Fi. How? So here we can do one small trick is there. Just open Windows icon and type there as mobile mobile hotspot and enter. See, here settings icon has been appeared and we can see here mobile hotspot. See, click on mobile hotspot and then here you can see mobile hotspot, share my internet connection with other devices. Here it is noted that share my internet connection with some other devices. You can use to any devices. So you have to on this. See, apply settings appeared. Settings are going to be changed. And now you can share your internet to some other devices. You can use as Wi-Fi in your mobile phone. Just you have to on your mobile phone Wi-Fi, and then there you have to give username and password. That's it. And you can use your mobile as phone as Wi-Fi connected, and you can use this internet to your mobile phones. So hope this video is good, and if you found it as informative, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.